We're going to look at a question from the 2023 Mathematics Paper 2 GCE. Okay, this is question 1. So we're going to look at question 1A as well as question 1B. So looking at the first question, which is question 1A, is asking us to simplify. I believe we did a similar question in the previous videos, but we'll do it anyway. So looking at what we have, this I believe is 13a to the third, or a cubed, divide by 28 a to the second b to the second divide by that is 65 a to the fourth times b there divide by 56 a to the second b to the fourth there. Okay, so what we need to do here is that we can change this from division to what, to multiplication, and you're going to write the reciprocal of that one. Okay, so how it's going to be is that we'll still maintain this part. Okay, we'll still maintain that part there. Then this one is just going to be multiplication. Then that's going to be the reciprocal of that one. That would be like 56 a to the second b to the fourth there divide by 65 a to the fourth times b there. Okay, so you observe to say we can multiply these out. So is there anything that we can simplify in terms of these numbers? That's 66 divided by, okay, so we can simplify some. So 13 into 13 is 1. 13 into 65 is 5 times. If you say 13 by 5, that's going to give you 65. Okay, then 28 times 2, I believe, is 56. So you can say 28 here, 1. Okay, we're going to get a 1 there. Then 28 there, we get a what? We get a 2. Okay, so 56. Say 56 divided by 28, we get, that's where the 2 is coming from. Okay, so something else that we can also simplify here is this 2 here, this a to the second can go. Okay, then and this one can also go. Okay, then what else do we have? So this one can go because it's a to the third, but I have a to the fourth here, so meaning I can just cancel out the 4 there. Then you observe to say this b to the second and this b, when you multiply them you get b to the third, but on top you have what? You have b to the fourth there. So what it is that you're going to get the 2 here, which is this one, multiplied by everything this side, which is a 1 here. You also have a 1 there. Then what are you remaining with this side? The a is gone. You're going to remain with what? With a b. Divide by. So this side, what is remaining? The b. We cancelled the b. We also have the 5, which is this one, and this b also was cancelled. Then here we remain with what? With a. So meaning our answer is what? 2b over 5a. That's how we simplify that one. In case maybe you end up with something different from what I've gotten here, you can let us know in the comment section. Okay, so question 2, question, it's actually question 2, is question AB, which is the second question of question 1. Sets. Okay, so it says learners in grade 10 class were asked to type we asked the types of drinks they liked. The Venn diagram shows their responses. So we have Fanta, we have Coke, and we have Sprite. So the first question is asking us to say, given that 40 learners liked Fanta, find the value of X. So sets are very simple and straightforward. So it's just a matter of you knowing what data you are getting. So looking at Fanta, when I look at this circle for Fanta, all of these in this circle, they liked what? They liked Fanta. These ones here that are 17, they liked Fanta only. Okay, then these that are X plus 2 here, they liked Fanta and Coke. Then these here where you have X, they liked all of them, like Fanta, Coke, and Sprite. Then this part where you have this X, they only liked Fanta and what? Fanta and Sprite. So all of them in this circle, they liked what? They liked Fanta. So what you're going to do is to say we are given that 40 learners liked Fanta. Find the value of x. What it means is that if you say 17 plus x plus 2, which is Fanta and Coke, plus x, which is for all of them, plus another x, which is for Fanta and Sprite. Okay, this is supposed to give us what? 40. We're supposed to get a total of 40 learners. Okay, so 17 plus x plus 2 plus x plus x. So 17 plus 2 there, when you correct the like terms, this is going to give you 19 plus 3x, giving you what? Giving you 40. Okay, so if we say 17 plus 2, that's 19. Then we say 40 there. We're going to say 3x is going to be equals to 40. Okay, we're going to say 40 there. 40 minus 19. Okay, so minus 40 there, that's going to give us 21. So what it means here is that our 3x is going to be equals to, when you say 40 minus 19, we're going to get 21. So divide both sides by 3 there. So our x, 21 divided by 3, is going to give us 7. So we have now determined that our value of x, we can say x now, x is equals to what? Is equals to 7. Okay, so it so happens that if you can also try to show it here. Okay, you can also try to show it. It simply means here you can say 17 plus 7 plus 2 plus 7 plus 7, that's 14, is equals to 40. So if you say we have 17 plus 7, okay, plus a 2 plus 14, you're still going to get what? You're still going to get the 40. Of course, that makes a lot of sense because we have to equate to what? To 40. Then the second question is asking us to find the total number of learners in the class. So for us to find the total number of learners in the class, here's how we do it. We have for Fanta here, I will get using F. Then we have for Coke, I will get using C. Then we have for Sprite here, I will get using what? Using S there. Okay. So you observe to say Fanta and Sprite, which is for this part, it's 7. So we have a 7 here. And all of them is also x, is also what? 7. Then for Fanta and Coke, it's x plus 2, which is 7 plus 2, which will give us what? A 9. Then here you have your what? Your 17. Here you have your what? You have your 5, and here you have your 3. Then outside you have a 7. Those that did not like anything. Okay. Then for Coke and Sprite, it's x minus 2, which is 7 minus 2, which is what? A 5. Okay, so the total number of learners in the class, you're going to say, of course, we know to say adding this one, we're going to get a 40 because you say 17 plus 9 plus 14. That's a what? That's a 40. We know that. Then plus 5 for Coke, plus another 5, plus another 3 there, plus another 7 outside. We get a total of 60 learners. So you're simply saying 17 plus 7. Let me go through it again. Plus 7, plus 9, plus 5, plus 5, plus 3, plus 7. We get 60 learners. Don't leave these 6. Don't leave that 7 outside there. Don't leave it out as you add up, because those are still learners as well. We are talking about learners that are in the class. There are also some learners that didn't like anything, but at the end of the day, they are still part of the learners. So here we get a total of what? A total of 60 learners. And it's very important that you indicate to say 60 learners. Don't just write 60, because you can, are you saying 60 oranges or 60 mangoes, 60 animals? You're talking about learners, so it's important that you indicate to say it's 60 learners. Then here we are saying the third part is saying how many learners did not like Fanta. Okay, how many learners did not like Fanta? So let me try to use this same Venn diagram again. Okay, so we have 60 learners there. 60 learners like that. Then the question is asking, say, how many learners did not like Fanta? So we have Fanta here, okay? We have Fanta. So these 17 they liked Fanta. The 9 they liked Fanta and Coke. So part of what they liked was Fanta. These 7 here they liked all of them, including Fanta. Another these 7 here they liked Sprite and Fanta, which also again includes Fanta. So we're looking at learners that did not like Fanta. It's basically these five, because these five only liked Coke, these five only liked Sprite and Coke, these three only liked Sprite, plus these seven that did not like anything, including Fanta. So I'm supposed to add up to say is that five plus the another five plus the three plus the seven, giving us a 20. Okay, so we're talking about 20 learners. Of course, someone might argue to say, why am I adding the 7? Okay, just logically speaking, like, come on. The 7, they didn't like anything, including Fanta. And they're looking for those learners that did not like Fanta. And we believe it also includes the 7 outside there. And again, in case you find something different, you can leave it in the comment section. We'll try to reason together from there. Okay. So let's look at the last part, which is question 1B3B, which says how many learners liked two types of drinks only. So I believe it's this. These liked Fanta and Coke, Fanta and Sprite, Coke and Sprite, and it's simply 7 plus 9 plus 15, which I believe is going to give us something like a 21, if I'm not mistaken. 7 plus 9 plus 5, yeah, it's going to give us 21. So we're going to get 21 learners there. 21 learners, and that's simply how you go about answering that question. Thank you very much for watching.